Now that your wig is installed, step 9 is all about keeping it looking and feeling amazing. Let's chat about the aftercare products from GhostBond and why they're a must-have for maintaining your style. GhostBond's Daily Shampoo. Use it regularly to maintain softness and shine. This gentle daily shampoo keeps your wig clean. It removes product buildup and protects the hair from damage with its UV properties. Use it regularly to maintain softness and shine. GhostBond's Daily Conditioner. Pair this with the shampoo for the ultimate care routine. It soothes itchiness, prevents buildup, and keeps your unit hydrated and healthy. GhostBond's Leave-In Conditioner. For those busy days, this leave-in spray is your secret weapon. It controls oil and itchiness while protecting your wig from daily wear. Just spritz it on, comb it through, and you're ready to go. GhostBond's Finishing Spray. Need that final touch of perfection? GhostBond's Finishing Spray is infused with Moroccan argan oil to give your wig a silky shine, detangle strands, and even protect against UV damage, all while allowing you to use heat styling tools without damaging or drying out your hair. GhostBond's Odor Eliminator. Let's face it, over time, wigs can pick up odors. GhostBond's Odor Eliminator uses cutting-edge, scientific-backed ingredients to neutralize smells, leaving your wig smelling fresh and clean. GhostBond's Touch-Up Pen. This compact adhesive pen is perfect for on-the-go fixes. Whether it's a small lift on the edges or a quick adjustment, the Touch-Up Pen has you covered. It's easy to carry and simple to use when you're out and about. Taking care of your wig doesn't just keep it looking good, it helps it last longer, so you get the most out of your investment. And with these products, you can trust that it will stay flawless no matter what.